Cece, when Cece when I go big. I go big on my own. Go on this.
No, sir. No, sir. Feel the bigger.
No, sir.
Jesus.
Alright,
Alright, I'm gonna take it then, yeah.
it have a big sale way then.
Alright, yeah. It's whatever biggest sale.
Yeah.
Alright.
No, laugh. No must have a big.
Yeah, guys, so after next week, Saturday, they might have look at something we have to do, look run around, and you know, we should have shut down a long time and go and focus on that. But I'm not entertainment for if I have to definitely can't do nothing. But we are close off the 28th, so no more night show until, you know, down in until the 9th. When we close off the 28th, we have come back the 8th. Alright? The 8th. I start birthday party from the 8th. Yeah, born, go for him birthday at the 8th too, so a 2-in-1. Yeah, because the 9th I'm a special day, you know, the April day, you know. At the 19th.
At the 19th.
Yeah, the wedding day. Yeah, so, you know,
Yeah,
that day they come like my birthday
go busy
too.
that time, father.
That day they come like my birthday too.
Where will you go first now? Don't say I'm married at Seaside?
No, sir.
I don't
Now,
know.
watch where I go. Remember, me tell everything, say I see him down at the hotel.
Me no remember.
Me tell you down at the hotel where we go down at the beach. Down at Ochi, down at Ochi, not Negril, Ochi. Where we go? Go do the dancing
The last
on the beach.
time?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
To work. So the man
I go out and I
fix.
come in. Yeah. Boy, I mean, when I go get look at something, man. When I go get look at something, man. You know, look at daytime life. When I go see me down at the hotel, you know. Cause I remember, you know, your wedding fever chippy in, you know. So when I go get a little wedding fever feeling there, you know.
One was stop there. With you.
Yeah?
I know if somebody are good there. I know if enough somebody figure the hotel with you.
I got it.
Like me, you and Cece. No, if somebody not feel good there.
I know. I got it. Oh, the honeymoon attack.
You can say when you're married, you know, you got honeymoon.
Okay, so do I come for your honeymoon? Okay. Alright, well.
And that you talk about the wedding.
You talk about your honeymoon now.
No.
Alright.
When you're married.
You see the
you got
honeymoon? Yes.
Like me.
Yeah.
Like me.
Alright, you see that they know? The honeymoon overseas. Overseas.
Oh.
Yeah. But no worries, me not stay long. Me not stay long.
Oh.
Me not stay long.
Okay. Meeting in the hotel.
No. Over so. You know. Yeah. One of the time we go down the coastline and go relax, you know. Yeah, but right now. Yeah. So Saita.
Can I go over there?
Yeah. Saita, so you can't get to company honeymoon here? I'm foreign, I'm overseas here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can I go over there?
Yes, sir.
Hi, Daddy.
Right. The ball. Watch out.
Oh,
Watch out.
I want to go.
Yeah, my play with me after reading the time.
But guys, anyway guys, come, go and go watch a cartoon. Why the internet are in and out. Come sit down and raise your foot, man. Look how long I stood up
No one
there.
sit down.
No, I'm still long enough now. Come. Sit down and raise your foot.
You know one
Right,
chair.
put
The
it,
side
take
I
it,
could
take it. May I put the chair, so take the stool and put it over there. So.
Remember, it don't hurt me, you know.
When?
I want pain film me up and take. It for them. Last night.
Backside. I went night, you know. When you are dance, you go down too low. No go down so
Wait,
low.
down so?
No, Jesus.
When I don't know I go down.
You go down too low. No go down.
I must sit back. Remember,
No go down so low. Remember your
remember I
age.
want pain pill and take.
Yes. No. Yes, so you're soon going to retirement. You're soon for rest now.
Rest?
Everybody talk about. Guys, what do you say? Me tell you say a soon time for you rest. So say to me say, if Dan Tapi not rest, oh she will rest. So you say? What you say?
You have to retire.
Dan Tapi no retire.
I'm retire.
So you say if Dan Tapi...
Dan Tapi no whole a man for me, whole old man. No.
Last
No.
yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No, Dan Tapi.
Dan Tapi na 72 and Rena 80.
80. And them who write it up put it there.
That's true.
Because me have me niece say no, no, me no also.
Why?
No, she knows so me no also.
Alright. You see the age now, I just want number.
I just,
How you
just
feel.
put it down nice. I
Okay.
write it up down.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. The same like it. Alright.
And then the
Age how you feel.
yeah, but no, when you talk, no, them are listening, them are saying.
No, they're not gonna say old. They're not gonna say old. Let me pause it. Let me pause it. Let me pause it. I don't want to hear that part there about your age. Right, let me take out that part.
No, I don't
Yeah,
feel.
yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Start over back. Yeah. Alright. Ciao.
No, you just that. No. Go on. You get fear. Not strange somebody. You know, strange one in the area. Like strange girl.
Go on back, go watch your cartoon.
See me to me, like you know, strange somebody out of road or no strange girl come.
Oh.
They put it on make them see.
No, but them say Gloria. Me not tell him nothing. Me not say right. If he's strange, what me say Gloria. It's alright, cause me not, yeah. So, the wedding just stay up there, man. Me go take it the Gloria now, bam. You go fix me the pan Gloria side. No, so after the Gloria side, me the pan. Fear one.
This?
Fear one, where you have up there?
No. Me no want him to go in a few when me married. That's somebody else. Billy say me animal come go. Time I go bright up when if I go in and work me married, you know. Bright up himself. Bright up himself.
So, oh.
You see when the night that come cold. Hey, warm, come like ice to rot, you know. Cold.
That's not your food stuff.
The one where you tell me say Irish, me never even know it different.
So after today,
Me no use it yet. You have to show me it different.
show you one.
The one where you say Irish, white in a bag.
Oh, mashed potato.
Me no know it.
I'm
Can I go to Cece, Daddy?
Yeah.
Can I go to Cece?
Yeah, go.
Me no know it. You can just water. No chocolate.
Leave the dog alone.
You see when you choose a puppy, that can get rough. See? You want to hear see what it is.
Yeah.
I'm trying to scare the dog away.
So.
So guys, next week we are going to do the food drive sometime in next week. Because after the week here, after next week, as you know, we have to go close down and, you know, finalize. Alright, so next week, hopefully by Tuesday or Wednesday, we can get to do it. Because I don't care why now, people them, we have to make sure so people them alright. Alright? Yep. That's our number one thing, make sure so people them good. Oh. Me don't want a foreign for 2 weeks, you know, but that's not possible right now. Not possible right now.
A money I go left there. Most born. Yeah?
For me, I
No, you have to go
No,
lock up
sir.
the place. You can't live in there.
you can't manage place. So.
You can't manage them. They
He might go for my mother till I come back.
So then you go.
Yeah, cause, you know, no, you know, problem.
Problem.
They don't really understand him.
They don't really understand them and go war and see.
No, sir.
Yeah?
No, sir. Nobody not go trouble with no really.
Okay.
No,